Did you know, in a study cited by the U.S. House of Representatives Small Business Subcommittee on Health and Technology, 60% of small businesses shut down within 6 months of a cyber attack. Small businesses are at ever-increasing risk of attack as they are considered easier targets by hackers. Along with hacking, data breaches are most commonly caused by employees who lose mobile devices and laptops with sensitive personal information on them. 47 states, along with the federal government, have enacted legislation protecting personal information in the event of a data breach. Businesses that experience a breach of this personal information must incur expenses to comply with these laws and may still be the target of lawsuits and regulatory action. Businesses that accept credit cards or payment cards are also subject to fines and penalties for violations of payment card industry's data security standards, also known as PCI fines. Many claims arising from the activity of a business on their website or social media page are not covered under a typical general liability policy. The Federal Trade Commission estimates that the average time spent resolving a single identity theft is 400 hours. Small business owners are frequent targets of such thefts. USLI's Cyber Liability and Data Security Plus product is designed to protect small businesses against exposures involving data breach, web activity, and identity theft of the principles of a business. What do typical losses look like? A small retail toy store is hit with a data breach, exposing the credit and debit card numbers and expiration dates on a large number of their customers. The toy store used a third party to process payment cards, and while the breach occurred on the servers of this third-party processor, state law requires the toy store, as the data owner, to provide notification to the customers. The costs, including that of computer forensics, notification letters, and credit monitoring offered to customers, quickly escalate to $200,000. While this loss was significant, the toy store prudently used the service to manage the breach response the right way, thereby limiting their future exposure to lawsuits and regulatory action down the road. A boutique hotel on the Florida coast has a website with a link to a social networking page that allows customers to post feedback. The owner of the hotel monitors the posts daily and is insulted to find a 1-star review from a well-known hotel reviewer. The owner posted a reply to the reviewer on the social networking page describing the reviewer as unkempt, rude, confrontational, and very unprofessional. The reviewer sued for $1 million, alleging libel and slander. It is difficult to imagine a business that does not have a need for this coverage. We only require your company name, state, class of business, annual receipts, web address, and the number and type of records with personal information you store. Don't delay. Ask me about a USLI Cyber Liability and Data Security Plus policy today.